Welcome, in front of me is an LG V60 and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started you will need to hold power key, and when you see the boot options on the screen, hold power off. Now make sure you actually hold it, and this will give us the option to reboot it into safe mode, as you can see right now. So let's tap on turn on, and this will power off the device, and then immediately after power it back on into the safe mode, which should be visible with the marking in the bottom left corner of the screen, basically stating safe mode. And you can see right now there's the safe mode and the device is in the desired mode. Now in this, only the essential apps are working, as you can see. The apps right here, the widgets are disabled, and majority of the other things that will be running in the background are also disabled, so you can see if some app is messing with your phone. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold power key once more and tap on restart, and once the device is back on, it will be in a normal mode again. And you can see that it's now back in normal mode. So that is how you would basically boot in and out of the safe mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.